So this is Abby's first driving lesson, and she gets to do it in Saxy. I think she's pulling into park right now. Along with driving down the fake lane, we teach them how to park in a parking lot that's pretty much empty. Excuse me, ma'am, do you have a license?
Yes.
Really?
I am not good.
How do you get a license parking like that? You got a tiny car and you're taking up 2 spaces.
I am a little Ford. I'm Ford.
And crooked. You're more crooked than a politician.
Michael!
Go do another lap and do it again.
But I am not.
Hey, wave to YouTube.
No.
Wave to YouTube.
Why are you beeping, you car?
Does he have the door open with the keys there?
Yeah. Hi, YouTube. I suck. But you got a pretty hot car. Now, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go park in front of the tower, and you're going to make all right-hand turns.
Oh, you're not practicing for NASCAR. Actually, she has to turn left to get out of here.
Yes, she does. You know that. Just stay like 10,000 feet away.
Don't worry, I won't be in front of you. Oh, they're pretending they're going across the street right now. I can hear Jennifer telling her. They were pretending they were at a stop sign and she was looking both ways. This is what we did with our boys. We brought them over here and just practice, because they have lanes that you can practice driving down. And then we'll take them to a different place. Like go over to the mall at night and practice driving there, and then they'll get to go out on the road once they get used to being in the car and operating the pedals several times. He's all shiny. Okay, hey, wait a second, Abby. Put it in park. You're in a Spider Bart. You got blonde hair. You got sunglasses. Here's something you have to learn to do this right. I want you to rev it so we can get your exhaust sound. Go. Go. Okay. Well, we'll have to work on that one a little bit too, but that is one of the necessary skills that you have to possess owning this car. I know you don't own it, but you will be driving it, so.